So yeah, in today's video, we're going to be learning how to install a web server on an Ubuntu operating system hosted on AWS. So start by launching an instance. We'll give it a name. Let's see, web server. Then we'll select the operating system, which is Ubuntu. Then my IAM, I'll leave it at this free tier here. Just leave everything by default instance, same thing, free tier. Then my key pair, I can just select any, I can generate a new one. Then my security group, which is very important. I'll just select the default security group. Then I'll launch. So yeah, this is my instance that's been created for me for my web server. Okay, so now this is the web server. I'll just need to connect to it. So now there are actually different ways in which you can use to connect to your web server hosted on AWS. You can use the EC2 Instance Connect, Section Manager, SSH client, EC2 serial console. So currently now I'm going to be using the Instance Connect. So here, down here, you can see the public IP and the private IP address. So if I copy this public IP address and check the web, you can see currently there's no web server installed on the server itself. So now it has given me access to the server's terminal. I just need to switch to root, then update my instance first. Now after updating, I'll need to install my web server, which in this video you can be installing both Nginx and Apache, depending on the one you would love to use. So the installation code for Apache is this: install apt install Apache2 -y. This is so that it wouldn't access any question. Just go straight to the installation. So it's done. Let's confirm if it's installed. So the systemctl status. I want to check the status of the server. You can see it's running. So if I come back here to refresh this public IP address, you can see my Apache2 has been installed. So let's shut this down. Let me say stop. So let me check the status once again. See is inactive, so let me refresh this. Alright, so now let me clear this. Let's try to install Nginx. apt install Nginx. Say yes. So I'm going to be checking the status of my Nginx. Sorry, it was a typo error. So Nginx, so you can see it's running. So let me refresh this. Still showing the Apache. So you can see the web server has been installed. So I'm checking. I can shut this down. Just say stop. So you can see. So I'm just going to check the status now. You can see it's inactive. So if I come here and refresh this, so no server is currently turned up. So this is how you install either Apache or Nginx, depending on the one you want to use. Thank you.